So I didn't really see any info online about the HGLRC soldering iron, so I'm gonna post a little bit of a review here. I haven't used it much yet, but I'm excited to. In the package comes not this, actually this one. So you get the iron itself, then you get this real wide blade tip. Not a huge fan, but it will work for most things. A power cord and a little screw pack. Has a Allen key and a couple extra screws. And I actually use this iron without tightening the screw down, so I just sat it in there and it worked. I bought this tip, TS100 tip fits in this, and a T12 tip or something. There's two different versions, TS and T12 soldering tips. So anyways, I was really excited that this went to 850 degrees basically, because I solder hot and I'm in and out real quick. So works on I probably wouldn't use a 1S, but I think it used a 2 to 6S to power up. And then right off the bat, this thing heats up quick. It's already hot. How hot is it, do you say? Well, I'm ready to go. Just for demonstration purposes, I'll show you on this board. Friggin' nice. Plenty hot. Always clean your tip, rule of thumb. And another thing, okay, it's saying check tip. So that's kind of cool. The tip came out a little bit because I'm not putting the screw in. Now it's stopping. So to start it, you hold this one and it's going to crank back up. Hold the same one, stops it, and it starts cooling down. And then this button, I believe, is the menu. Iron, idle, OLED screen, voltage, calibration, about. I've roughly messed with this. The only thing I did was change Celsius to Fahrenheit. But I'm about to buy another one of these just because I've used a few wireless soldering irons before and they haven't been this simple to use, and it looks really cool, the transparent case. The power supply is a 3 to 6S, just to fix what we were talking about earlier. There's a buzzer in here that can be turned on and off. I don't see the need for that. There's also a setting, I want to say after 30 seconds, a minute, minute and a half, you can adjust it to stop and start cooling down. So all in all, if you need a on-the-go soldering iron, I would recommend this one for sure. It's called the RC2. It also has like the 9-volt DC power plug or whatever, but it also has a USB-C, because apparently this may or may not have a firmware update. So anyways, HGLRC RC2 soldering iron, highly recommended if you're looking for something on the go. I might use it not on the go and more of a permanent thing because it's super easy to use.